don't know, probably half of it will be good. That way you don't shit your pants
Do
that
I
much.
swallow it?
Yes.
Yes.
Chug, chug, chug.
This is hard to drink.
Why?
It's cold.
You have to drink fast.
I'm trying.
Some people, it gives them bad burps.
That's as much as I can drink out of a brain freeze.
You know, stick a couple Mentos in your mouth and chase them. Chase it with the pot. Just swallow.
I'm not swallowing them whole. I'll choke and die. It's not doing anything. Oh shit. Wait, we'll drink more. These are hard. I'm not funny, Pat. It's not doing anything. It's not Diet Coke though either.
They do it with Pepsi. Why don't you just put one in the bottle?
Yeah. I think we'll do that.